Hello, many teachers are experimenting with generative AI and getting introduced to the technology in their classrooms, according to a study published in the Journal of Education. However, the report notes that there's no sitting out AI in education. Many teachers are skeptical of new AI services because it's an industry that's been burned by technology over and over again. Some fear that it will take their jobs and replace them. Khan says the legacy of education technology causes teachers to be skeptical of newer AI services. He points to the use of search engines and other outdated methods as reasons why they're skeptical. Other scholars like Tuan Nguyen of the Charter School Growth Fund think generative AI isn't going to solve the teacher labor market problem but may help to improve pay and working conditions for teachers. The AI Education Project has trained more than 7,000 teachers in how to use AI in teaching this year. Alex Kotran at the Ednovate Charter Schools in Los Angeles uses generative. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.